there, it's Alexander Turnbull here from René of Paris and Aderans. Today I'm going to be sharing with you some styling tips, and I'm going to show you a really cute, gorgeous style on one of everybody's favourite wigs, Angelica, in a stunning colour, which is Seaglass-R. So you can see that gorgeous movement we've got and that lovely colours all going through in that Seaglass-R. The R stands for the root, and this one is a lace front. So this Angelica is lace fronted, so it can be worn back, it can be done all sorts with it. Today I'm going to do like a half up, half down. I'm going to put it up and I'm going to put it up and I'm going to make a bow. So I'm going to make a bow in the hair, which sounds really tricky, but I'm going to show you a real simple way of doing it. I'm going to keep these bangs down because I love that softness. I think it just looks beautiful. So I've got my pony ready. That is going to be the amount of hair that I'm going to use. Now, this is proper hair elastic, so always best to use proper hair stuff. Now that one even matches the Seaglass-R. So I'm just going to put that in, and then I double that over. This is the trick now, ladies and gents. And then I push that so we have that kind of effect. I'm going to split this loop in half. Can you see? So split this in half and then turn it round this way and then just spread the bow out. So I'm turning it back upon itself. I'm just spreading that out with my fingers. And then hold with my index finger, I just hold that one in. And I take a bobby pin and you can see I've got kind of one side of the bow already there. Gorgeous bow. So what we've got missing from now is just that center part of the bow. So if you have very dexterous small fingers, you can probably take that and just tuck that round yourself. So this hair that we left out I quite like, so I'm just going to take a piece of this hair for our middle section of the bow. Okay, I'm just going to comb that through. Now, so you can weave that in with your fingers, or what you could do is you could use a darning needle, various tools, or make something out of wire. I have this little tool right here, which what I do is I take that little bit of elastic there and I put it in this loop right here, and then and what I do is that you could do this with the needle, is then just pull, 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 pull that area through. And you can see we've got that bow coming together really nicely. So then what I do is just manipulate this and just play with it a little bit. Little guys, these fine pins, these are really good just for securing that center part of the bow. And there we have it, ladies and gents. A really easy, quick half up, half down style with a lovely bow in the hair, leaving all this hair down at the front, which looks stunning, okay? And just leave that back and then leave that gorgeous bow coming in. I mean, if you wanted to, you know, you could take this hair back, which I think I'm just going to do just to show you, and just so it's off the face, Just take another bobby pin. That's a really gorgeous, pretty style. So it's coming in like this, and then with that beautiful bow in the back, really easy to achieve. Thank you for joining me. I'm Alexander Turnbull, as you know, from René of Paris and Aderans. I hope you've enjoyed what you've seen today. If you got a lot out of it and you'd like to see some other styles or you'd like to see some things in the future, please direct message us and we will provide anything that you need. Please don't forget to follow us on all social media, like and follow us on YouTube and all of the different platforms. And look out for me, I'm Alexander Turnbull, a senior stylist and beauty expert at René of Paris. Look out for my social sisters, the wonderful Abby and the Texas Wig Fairy, as they have loads of things to share with you. And we'll see you next time. Thank you for joining us. Bye bye.